So when it comes to changing out filters, how do you know how long it takes before you need to change that filter? And what I tell everybody is when you put new filters in and you go to take a shower, you're going to know what the pressure of your water system feels like. You're going to get used to that over the course of a few weeks. But when it comes time, a couple months down the road, you're going to notice that that shower isn't quite doing it for you. It's not taking the soap out of your hair as fast. As soon as you notice that pressure drop, that's the sign it's time to change your sediment filter. And when you do change your sediment filter, we recommend using the poly-spun. And when you take that filter out, the outside's definitely going to be dirty, but when you look down the center core of that filter, if it's still white, you changed it in time. If it's dirty inside the core, you waited too long. Next time, instead of 3 months, change it in 2. That's the key to figuring out how long that filter's been in there and is it really working for you. It's all by pressure, and the visual when you change it is going to tell you if you did a good job. The carbon blocks probably aren't going to show up on a visual basis, but again, it's something when you change your sediment filter out, if the pressure doesn't come right back, probably means the carbon block needs to be changed next. Just get used to the pressure in your house and you'll know every time it starts to get low, it's just time to change the next filter. Please consider subscribing or leaving a like if you liked this video. This helps us spread the word about safe water harvesting everywhere.